Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share your location with family on Android. Let's begin. First, open the Google Maps app. If you don't have it installed, just go to the Google Play Store, search for Google Maps, and install it. Once you're inside the app, you'll land on the main map screen. If you're not there, just tap on Explore at the bottom to return to the homepage. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Tap on that. This will bring up a menu with a bunch of options. What you want to do is tap on Location Sharing. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on Share Location. A new screen will pop up showing your current location, your battery percentage, and other details. Don't click on it if you don't want to share this. Next, you can choose how long you want to share your location, either for a specific duration like 1 hour or until you turn it off manually. Now scroll down and you'll see a list of your contacts. Just tap on the person you want to share your location with. You can enter the email or the phone number like your mom, dad, cousin, friend, whoever. And that's it. Your location will now be shared with the person you selected. Thanks for watching.